etua de ma appointees.
No. So we come my conditions of service.
Yes. See idea. See idea.
I can't any public servant be no aban tua way ma.
71. Because see idea, but this is the all can I mean former president can say Oba make sure sani many nyina no will be dealt with. Ministers number bafum or katisane many nyina to save the country from spending.
Now, saying the amount they are going to save.
No, as you speak.
And that is a public statement.
Mm-hmm.
You see, all what is being done, if they don't give figures to convince some of us that this is the amount that this country is going to be a bit saved, it may be just to appeal to a certain group of people. If you are reducing ministers to 50, what is the country saving every month and every year? Then you bet me with the quantum. Not these ministers are you May I see say in your area where probably you might save a lot. There are certain things you can do it to cut down costs in those areas, but ain't being a cost center. Me a save much to you can say you can be say what's hard be share economy. There are more other key areas that probably see a concentrate here because for me as a Ghanaian, the country need to identify the waste in the system. Waste in procurement procedure, waste in cash, waste in a lot of financial area na sika wura o yamanfo yentimi hu sika bebre no. Say yentimi ampe ekwan bi so near reduce that waste in the system. It me kra na I think say every minister for finance be also to me say me ba economy the waste now na 70%, maybe meeting at 50%. That should be a target because yet me here project a lot of objective, a lot of intentions. But waste now a what system now was it me a free mono and where you focus on shed anyhow. Where you say 40, where you say 50, where you say 60, where you say 70, where you say 80. All of them should come and tell us, say 50, we are going to save this amount. Quantify my end, then probably we can be clear on that. And yes, sir, I bet you to say the political statement, because you can have about 40 ministers and you can even spend more as 70 ministers. So it can be a justification of the numbers in relation to what? To the amount involved. You bet me 40 be as a minister and be a package of Bejano and an Sika of Bejano who be more than 3 ministers in whatever government that it be a tremendous. Enti omon kan chen no mo me say bia this is the amount that we might spend. Say bia your this minister say buy a teswa say you bet me save for omano. And that might be a little bit clear on that. Okay. But packages for ministers and whatever won't be manao may the open. Sometimes people may construe that may say.
You lay down the condition of service. Say when you bit me the amount say be man. You are ready to serve there. You are coming to serve, and for that matter, this is what we can pay you.
And if you don't give good packages,
young girl, yeah.
But the paper kwan for the ashim.
Okay. And we are corruption not be encouraging.
You see, sometimes we should not play. The fact should be clear. The positions be what me fans will be what GRE. That's why money good packages are. The probability of the person finding ways because he sees the money coming. Bank officials, those who are working in financial institutions.
When you do that, then the salary is also no obey anything. Obey good salary. Ube pm to what point?
No.
Said the bear. Bemana yes. Bemana acting who wants to say no. This is what I'm taking. And for that matter, sikane ba me so baby also economy piam and alcohol. Me.
Debio, who say hey? Me what they are saying is, but there are certain positions be why the package should be attractive. Should be enticing to get qualified people because we are competing in the world market. So na mention no open the finance to manage and ever certain positions be and was a certain packages be so I'm not making it like across, but the intention say omodis had this S-grass anyway just to retain professionals and people so that they will not move out from the country. Because I mean wahana me the right qualification I mean limit to Liberia. Now Liberia remember good a year conditions are fine, I will just leave. And sometimes these are conditions of service. And conditions of service and also no there were reasons I timi coming up with those kind of conditions of service. So na mention no. Ebia your ministers, you said the ministry be or will be able to be fine. Ministry be or ebia your expertise. And it's our chief executives in this our win. There are certain areas if you don't get the package very attractive, probably you might not get things done. And you make the person know better now, finding ways to get whatever they want. I don't know on it to a quite boss over here, you know, what is that why yes.
On it is canon.
Yes.
You don't know who the
actually man what time not the Jaka now yen day. Emran say oh the Emran on your no. And how mad those things to happen.
All right.
So
thank you.
And for now she say cyber for security for anyone where this car. You say what na IT say what this car. It is open IT papa. Now uncle can't say oh metra ho no me to papa so. Give him better conditions. Yes, so that the person will stay and do the work well. If not, what him?
Doc Medasi, Dr. Samuel Afriyie, Medasi pa. My memory is moving on to our next topic about